Here's how to fix Western Union if pending has been too long. If pending has been too long, the least thing that you can do is to go ahead and refresh your device or turn off all the background app that has been running. Afterwards, go ahead and open your Western Union account. Now, once you have already opened your Western Union account, it means that you have officially logged in to your Western Union. You can also track the status of your transfer of a friend that you wanted to track with or the person that you sent a money with. And then from there, you can now actually go ahead and send it and wait for it to be tracked. If the pending is actually still too low, here's how to contact customer support. First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with that agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on Chat with Us. And once you click on the Chat with Us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.